Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, which I think you are because you clicked on this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. And if you are not new here, hey girl. And like, if you're not new here, y'all know me, y'all know the things that I do. So I'm pretty sure y'all saw this coming from me from a mile away. So Brandon Blackwood did his, I think it was his spring drop. And in it, he gave us 2 metal bags. Like, Brandon is giving us what we needed, okay? We're used to the typical handbag materials. We're used to canvas, many different types of canvas. We're used to leather. We're used to vegan leather. We're used to straw, crochet, you know, all of that good stuff. But Brandon said, I'm going to give y'all a stainless steel bag because that's what y'all need. And I was like, Brandon, you're right. I didn't know I needed that, but you're exactly right. That is exactly what I needed in my life. Like, that's what I was missing. So y'all already know that I am a fan of the Mini Kendrick trunk. I have it here in the purple and white checkered print with the gold hardware. I mean, stunning a moment. So this was a no-brainer. Look at this bag. Like, can we get into this bag? This is a stainless steel Mini Kendrick trunk. And y'all know what I love about this? Okay, so I've been meaning to get another trunk anyway because, you know, Brandon now does the B latch. So on the older bags, he wasn't doing the B latch, which made me sad when I saw this bag with the B latch because I'm like, oh, I want this bag but with the B latch and like not the regular clasp. So this makes me a little sad when I look at this bag knowing that I could have had a version with the B, like if I would have gotten it later, but it is what it is. It's still a super cute bag regardless. But I have a trunk now that has the B on it. Y'all, not me realizing there's stuff on the feet at the bottom. I didn't finish unwrapping this bag completely. Y'all, I thought I had for real, but yeah. This bag was wrapped really well. The presentation of how it came, I'm pretty sure I'll upload the unboxing before I put this video up. So definitely make sure you go check that out. But yeah, it was super cute. But yeah, it does come with like little protectors for the feet at the bottom. So, and we love feet. We love a bag with feet. So this is what the bag looks like. You open it up. Has some little silica packets for you. And then of course, the beautiful lining. There are not any pockets on this. Are there pockets in the other trunk? Hold on. Let me see. Because I don't even know for real if there are pockets in here or not. Okay, no. These don't come pockets. Okay. So yeah, no pockets on the inside. And I have a like detailed video of the Mini Kendrick trunk, so showing you like what fits inside and what doesn't. Foams don't fit inside. You can fit all of your little key pouches, card cases, things like that. But if you have like maybe like one of the regular size ones would fit, I don't know because I don't have those. But yeah, most of the phones, like any of the Pro Maxes or S21, 2, 3 pluses type phones, ultras, will not fit in here at all. But so like I said, Brandon gave us 2 metal bags. He gave us this one, which is like the plain stainless steel, and then there's also one, what do you call it, with all of the colors on it? I'll figure out what it is and put it up above. So like I said, basically there were two versions of this bag. I'll put a picture of the other one up, but this bag for me, it was just like the pure metal. I could not turn down. So this is why I picked this one over the more colorful one, which you might have thought I would pick. But yeah, I needed this one. And honestly, I feel like this is a collector's item. Like, this is something, like if you are a handbag collector, this is something that you have in your collection because you need a metal bag. They don't sell metal bags at Walmart. Like, this is something that you need. So highly recommend this just for that aspect alone. I will insert a picture of me carrying this bag. Super cute. Love carrying this bag. It's just a statement, y'all. So if you're all about, you know, making a statement with your bags, this is the one. So I did pre-order this, and I think it took 6 weeks to come. But that's what happened when you pre-order. I don't know if it's available. I think it's still available on the website. I'll leave the link down below regardless, so you can check if it's still available or not. But yeah, just wanted to come on here really quickly and show y'all this gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Super cute. I'm in love with it. The fact that everything is metal. Brandon did his thing with this one. He definitely did his thing with this one. And the handle is just like so thick and sturdy. I love it. Did any of y'all get this bag? Let me know. Tag me over on Instagram or something. Send me a picture of how you styled it, because I'm like so excited to see how people wear this bag, because it's not a bag that you see every day. Now, handbag designers are starting to branch out into different materials. Like, you know, you had like the Caperni bags. Some of those were made from glass, which I also thought was really cool and neat. Probably not as practical as a metal bag, because if you drop a glass bag versus a metal bag, you know, it might break. But that's why, you know, I think the metal is probably the better choice, the better way to go if you're going to go in that direction as far as like mass producing these. But yeah, super cute. Love it. Huge fan of Brandon Blackwood in general. So if you're not familiar with his work, like I said, I'll leave the website down below. Check him out. Black designer, all of that good stuff. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.